Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another day in my life. Now today was a super chill day. The seasons are changing and I love it so much. Today's video is actually sponsored by Green Chef, which was perfect for so many reasons on this day. So with all of that being said, let's hop right in. So one of the things that Logan had for breakfast this morning was a banana, and he basically bathed in it. So that's what you're looking at. So once Logan had eaten and I cleaned him off and we had done kind of our whole first part of the morning routine, we made our way outside, not only to soak up the sun, but to also ground. I've mentioned grounding in quite a few of my videos, and when the weather allows for it, I always like to do this with Logan pre-nap. I want to encourage you, no matter where you live, to try and think outside of the box of areas of nature surrounding your house that you could go and, I want to use the word explore, but I want to use it gently because really what I mean is just, look around. I think we get so used to our surroundings that we often miss what's in front of us. See if it's possible to tune your mind into looking for beauty, and when you find it, bask in it. This is extremely random, but Dan actually found me a rocking chair. Technically it's a glider though, and a gliding ottoman for Logan's nursery. Dan knew kind of the gist of what I wanted and he went on Facebook Marketplace. He basically just figured it out for me, so now I can read to Logan in our brand new glider. Whenever we get around to filming our house tour, you will see how it works in Logan's room. Now, on this day, my body was pretty flared up. I had trained with my chiropractor / physical therapist the day before, and I think that my body was just kind of tired and honestly wrecked from it. So my in-laws are actually in town right now, and I took the opportunity of Logan being with family to go and just take a nap in the middle of the day. Now, this ended up being an attempted nap. I never actually fell asleep, but I'm not kidding. Just taking the time to spend a couple of hours lying down cozy in bed made a huge difference on my body. I was actually really surprised when I got up and I noticed that my wrists were actually feeling much better. I'm not sure what that was about or if that just speaks to the power of rest. But in the spirit of encouraging you to do something today, if you're needing a rest, I want to encourage, as I said, you to find a way to take a rest. By the way, I get a lot of questions about these blankets, especially during the fall and winter, because they all come back out. This is actually from my mom's business called Don't Freak, It's Faux. Yes, that is the name of the company. It's amazing, I know. These are the most beautiful and truly luxurious faux fur blankets I have ever felt in my life. No offense to other faux fur blankets, but whenever I've seen them at stores or hotels, I always just think, man, my mom needs to be like the main go-to faux fur blanket lady because they're incredible. So I mentioned that when I woke up, I felt much better. So I had to do, even though it was the afternoon, my whole little routine of making my bed. I put back on some regular clothing, took off my sweats, opened the windows, did the whole thing. I like to make sure my bed is always made for when I go back to sleep later in the day, even if I were to do something like this, because it really is amazing when you walk back into the room and you see your clean bedroom. It is so relaxing, inspiring, and inviting. So that's my book report on why I like to make my bed and clean my room every single day, at least at this point in life. We'll see how long this lasts. Also, the windows in my room look out on the most beautiful scenery. And all throughout the year, we see all of the trees surrounding our house change seasons, and we love it. Once my room is cleaned up, I always like to turn on my oil diffusers, and today I wanted to diffuse orange. Citrus oils are one of my favorite to diffuse. I feel like they're mood lifting, and also they're kind of like non-offensive. So if other people are in the house, I just feel like they're not very likely to be offended by like orange oil or lemon oil. It's basic, it's clean, it's uplifting. I love it. By the way, if you have any essential oils questions, I just want to remind you, send me a message on my oils account at For Your Life's Essentials. That's where I like to do all oils communication. I'm not even sure why I'm showing you this. Sometimes I just pull out my camera when I like the way something looks, and all of this just felt very satisfying that all of my stuff was like set up. Side note, Dan had actually made brisket that day for lunch, and brisket is like, dude, I don't even know, a 12-hour process for him because he smokes it. So I took some of that brisket and made a sandwich on some gluten-free bread for a late lunch. So speaking of more food, today's video, like I mentioned, is sponsored by Green Chef. So I've talked about Green Chef quite a bit on my channel, but to those of you that don't know what Green Chef is, it is a USDA certified organic company that makes meals that are easy and affordable. Their meal plans include paleo, plant-powered, keto, and balanced living. Green Chef is actually now owned by HelloFresh to be able to offer a wider array of meal plans to choose from. So there's something for everyone. You can switch between the brands when your tastes change, or if you want to eat a little differently that month. And now you guys can actually enjoy both brands at a discount using my discount code. I'm not gonna lie, I was actually a little nervous about this meal. I've never made meatloaf before, and so I wasn't sure how it was gonna turn out. Spoiler alert, it was really good. I found myself moaning every bite. And so like usual, I was able to experiment and learn some new tips and tricks by trying out their meal. Green Chef's recipes are quick and easy with step-by-step instructions, chef tips, and photos to help guide you along. By the way, Green Chef is the most sustainable meal kit. They offset 100% of its direct carbon emissions and plastic in every box. With Green Chef, you can enjoy clean, seasonal ingredients that are sourced for peak freshness. So if you are a busy mom, you've been working a lot, or you're just looking to mix things up, let Green Chef do the meal planning, the grocery shopping, and most of the prep for you week after week. Recipes include pre-made measured sauces, as you guys know and can see, dressings and spices, so you can get more flavor in less time. So if you want to try Green Chef out, you can use my code Nikkiphillippi to get $80 across 4 boxes, including free shipping on your first box. Go to greenchef.us/NikkiP80 to redeem and get more details. Thank you again, Green Chef, for sponsoring this video and for continuing to teach me about cooking and expanding my flavor palette. So fun. You like this show? Gentle. I know. I know. We got a baby in a crawling position. You never stayed like that, buddy. You was doing a little rocking back and forth a minute ago. Oh, Bowser. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, baby. Bowser. Wow. All right, so now you're about to see a series of boomerangs. I am known in my family as like the annoying boomerang lady. Like I've had multiple people, multiple family members tell me to stop taking boomerangs, but I can't stop and I won't stop. And Logan just turned 9 months. And so to celebrate, we opened his Love Every 9-month toy box. And they had this sticker, and just because I'm a weirdo, I stuck it on his head and I took a bunch of boomerangs because life is more fun with boomerangs, believe me. So that is it, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you, Green Chef, for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to try out Green Chef, you can go to greenchef.us/NikkiP80 and use the code NikkiP80 to get $80 off of your first month's plan, plus free shipping on your first box. So yeah, guys, that is it. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will hopefully see you back here soon with another new video. Bye, guys.